Very good. How are you going over here?
Oh, put your fingers, Mavis. You've got fingers left.
How's your rocket? You need to draw it that what's happening around the rocket. What's it going past? Some planets? Some stars? The sun, he's got to go through all the clouds to get to the moon. It leaves Earth and it goes into space. Very beautiful rockets coming along. Hello? What's that? It's all dark around the rocket, isn't it? And then the rocket's really light and bright.
Rocket.
It's giving off lots of light.
Yeah, I'm rocket.
Yes, where's he going? Where's the rocket going?